Namaste, welcome to GitasKitchen. Today's recipe is a long forgotten traditional home style recipe which is known as rice Kuzhambu. And along with that I am going to make some Sepankizhangu, that is Colocasia roast. For this Sepankizhangu roast I have boiled up half a kg of this Colocasia Arbi, as it is known in Hindi, for 2 whistles in the pressure cooker. Now I will drain it out. See that the Arbi is not overcooked, but you should be able to peel it easily like this. Now we will cut it into medium size pieces like this. Next, add some turmeric powder, chilli powder, asafoetida or hing powder, salt to taste, and 1 heaped teaspoon of rice flour. Now mix all these well together so that all the pieces are well coated with all the spices. Heat about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Add some mustard seeds, urad dal, when the dals get a reddish color, add in this boiled Arbi to it. Stir everything well together. It is a good idea to use an iron kadai for this, so then you will get a very crispy and tasty roast. So let this continue roasting over a low heat, and meanwhile we will get ready for the rice Kuzhambu. Rice Kuzhambu is a side dish, a kind of gravy which is neither a sambar nor a vetta Kuzhambu, something in between. This is something special to the Thanjavur region in Tamil Nadu. There are many interpretations about how it got its name of rice Kuzhambu, but to me I feel it is done pretty fast. So as if you are running a race and it will be over in no time at all. So especially on maybe on a rainy day or times when you want to wait home from work and you want to make a quick dinner, any time when you don't have much time with you, you can make this rice Kuzhambu and enjoy it. I have taken a large lemon sized piece of tamarind and soaked it in water for about 15 minutes. Now we will extract the juice. So totally I have about 2.5 cups of tamarind extract. So for this we have to make a freshly ground spice powder. I have taken 2 teaspoons of rice and half a teaspoon of methi seeds. First we dry roast these. Dry roast it over a low flame, because if the methi gets burnt it will become very bitter. We just want to roast it lightly till the methi is well roasted. Now take this out into a bowl. Now in the same pan add 1 teaspoon of Tuvar dal, 1 teaspoon of Urad dal, 1 teaspoon of Moong dal and 1 teaspoon of Channa dal. Dry roast these for a couple of minutes. After a minute or so, add 3 teaspoons of dhania, that is the coriander seeds, to it. and 3 dry red chillies, half a teaspoon of whole black pepper, some people even call it as Anjarapetti Koyambu. Anjarapetti refers to this masala box. So most of the ingredients which are in this masala box only we add here and dry roast. The dals are also well roasted. Now we can switch it off, add it along with this rice and methi seeds. Allow it to cool down to room temperature, then we will make it into a powder in our dry jar. For adding in this Kuzhambu, today I am using this okra or lady's finger. If you don't have this, you can use brinjal, that is eggplant. So either bindi or bangan or even drumstick, whichever you have at home or which you like. So just take about 4 or 5 of these okras and trim the ends, cut them into pieces like this. Also I am taking about 5 green chillies, just cutting them into halves, and we can add it to the Kuzhambu. We will need some curry leaves also. For making this Kuzhambu, we generally use til oil or sesame oil. So I am taking about 3 tablespoons of til oil. From time to time have an eye on your Seppankizhangu roast also, and gently turn it over so that everything gets well roasted. When the oil is hot, add a teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 dry red chilli, 1 cube of hing, a few curry leaves, add the slit green chillies and this chopped okra or bindi also to it. Now let the vegetables get stir fried in the oil. Meanwhile, see, our Seppankizhangu roast is done very well. We will switch this off. See, the vegetable has cooked well in the oil. Now we will add this tamarind extract to it and add salt. Let this boil well for about 5 minutes till the raw smell of the tamarind goes away. Our freshly ground powder is ready now. I am just taking it into a bowl and just adding a little bit of water, and we will mix it, because sometimes when we add it directly it might form lumps. See, mix it well in the water without any lumps. Kuzhambu is also boiling well and the raw smell of the tamarind has gone. Now we can add in this masala powder, give it a good stir and just allow it to continue boiling for just another 5 minutes. See, it has been boiling for 5 minutes in a low flame only, and you can see that it has started thickening also because of the rice and dals which we have added. So it has reached the perfect consistency now and getting a wonderful aroma in my kitchen. Now I will switch it off. You can see the consistency of this. This is how the rice Kuzhambu is supposed to be. Not too thick, not too thin. See, our lovely tasty rice Kuzhambu ready in just under 10 minutes. I am just dry roasting one Urad appalam, which will be a great combo for this Kuzhambu. Now we are ready to serve out our simple home style lunch of Seppankizhangu or Arbi roast. some steaming hot rice and this rice Kuzhambu to go with it. I'm adding a half a teaspoon of til oil. If you like ghee, you can use. We prefer to use til oil. Mix it with the hot steaming rice and enjoy it with this roasted appalam also. A wonderful dish, especially for this monsoon season, which is ready in a very short while. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to GitasKitchen. Definitely try out these simple home style traditional recipes. We'll meet again with another interesting episode from GitasKitchen. Thank you.